Friends, are you confused on what to do with your SEO? And if you're not using Google Search Console, you probably have no idea what's going on your website. So if you have a website, install this right away. It's really easy. You just add some DNS records to your GoDaddy account or whatever host you have. It takes like 5 minutes, 15 minutes if you have no idea what you're doing. But once you start to understand what people are searching for on your website, and you can see that here, these are the words people are using, and these are the number of impressions that we're getting. So these aren't clicks, these are how many times we're showing up in the search engine result page. And here is the position. And we can see we're in the first page in a few spots here, which is pretty cool. Site's been around for a few months. And what we're looking for are the really easy wins, basically. So the page, like where we're on the first page, that's what we're trying to do. But today I kind of noticed something, and what I actually did was I took all my queries. So I just literally copy them all. And then you do the same thing with the pages, because query results and page results are a little different. So you can see what pages show up most and what position they show up, and then what keyword people are typing in and what page they're showing up on and how many impressions. Sort of confusing, but what I'll use is Notebook LM. And you can see I've been putting in all my sources for about a month now. And what you do is you just go to add a source and paste your impression, or not your impressions, your queries and your page results. And then you run a report on it. So you come over here and it'll load some suggestions. Takes a minute. And content strategy memo is the one I usually go with. It just knows what it needs to do. And then you can go through and read it. And one of the things that I kind of came to the conclusion of was that a lot of the main keywords I was seeing are for grab bar installers in some form of fashion. So I narrowed it down in here by adding a filter, the query, and I think I just did installers. So now it's going to show all the queries. We're in the pages. So all the queries that are have the word installers in it. And we're not doing that hot here. You see we got 1, 2, 3, 4 sort of on the first page. But the rest are way back there. So I wanted to build up our pages. And right now there's 1,000 pages on the Google index, and about 320 of them are showing, actually being served out there. So I took a list from here. I just copied all that again, just highlight, copy it. And then I pasted it in here into Firebase. And this runs off Gemini. And I said, I want you to remove the near me keywords and leave the rest in there. Actually, there was a step before this. Maybe not. Oh, that's what it was. There's railings and toilet installers in here, but I don't want to build those words up. So I just told it not to do any toilet installations or railing installations and just focus on grab bars. So you can see we have that. Then we got it down even further. We kept the main keyword. We just took out near me. So we're left with 15 or 17 words here. And then I just told it what to do. I asked it for a plan. And I said, hey, I want you to add all of these keywords into every single page that is a bathroom grab bar or shower grab bar page. So sprinkle all these words in everywhere. Don't keyword stuff them, make them sound good. And it gives me some recommendations and it tells me some good stuff. I will always read these because you want to make sure it is going to do what you want it to do. And I don't just let it go do things, because it will go do random stuff and it will mess things up and break stuff and not be what you want. So we did that, and then you can actually see it decided it was going to bold all of the words in here. I still got one nearby. That's okay though. It sounds kind of natural. And kind of stuffing it up a little bit in here. So we'll see. I may go back through and make this sound a little bit less repetitive, but I'm sure it's probably okay. I don't tend to spend too much time trying to, make it 100%, whatever that means. Like, I don't know what 100% is. Nobody knows, really. We just do our best and watch the results as they go. If you have any questions, hit me up. Peace.